Remanufactured products are often a wise, cost-saving alternative. This is especially true when it comes to air compressor air ends. A remanufactured air end can save you up to 50% off new. However, considering that the air end is the heart of an air compressor, don't trust just anyone to supply this critical component. With over 100 years of air compressor design and manufacturing experience, Gardner Denver is recognized globally as a market leader when it comes to both new and remanufactured air compressors. In addition, as the original manufacturer of the air end, we know the specifications it takes to bring the air end back in line with the performance of a new air end, giving us the confidence needed to offer an extended warranty that matches our new air compressors. Don't just take our word for it. Let's take a look at the process and people it takes to produce a world-class remanufactured product that's worthy of the Reman Done Right stamp of approval. To understand the quality of the finished product, we need to visit our remanufacturing facility housed in our 300,000 square foot ISO 9001 certified production facility in Sedalia, Missouri. We also need to meet our Reman team, the most experienced team in the industry. It all begins with a teardown and initial inspection of a Reman core as it is returned from the field. If substandard parts are allowed in the process, a substandard final product will be produced. If there is any question about the condition of a component, it is replaced. Period.
All the Gardner Denver parts that go into compressors and blowers are very high tolerance parts, and you have to have good gauges and processes to ensure that it's going to be successful. It doesn't take but one feature out of tolerance to have a problem on test.
The next step of the process is where Gardner Denver separates itself from the competition. Gardner Denver has made the process investments necessary to bring the core back to new standards. From the burn-off furnace that removes any leftover lubricants, to the dry ice blast station that refines the surface without introducing contaminants like solvents or grit media.
Dry ice blast, you have a hard particle that will evaporate. It will not stay inside the unit. It just blows the actual particles out. Sandblast is really hard. The grit stays inside the unit. It's very, very difficult to get back out of the unit once it's in there. It gets into the oil ports and cavities, which everybody knows with the compressor, that's real important.
Gardner Denver has proven that it is serious about producing the best remanufactured product on the market. Also, by bringing every step of the process in-house, Gardner Denver is better able to control the quality and availability of the final product. More than just a bearing replacement, each core is stripped down to the individual pieces, undergoes a thorough 20-point inspection, and is then rebuilt with original equipment parts being used whenever necessary. Additionally, every single plug, nut, and bolt on the core is replaced. That ensures that all bolts are torqued to Gardner Denver specifications. If a component doesn't pass inspection, it is replaced with an identical component as the one that goes into our new air compressors. That helps us control the quality of the remanufactured unit and gives us the confidence needed to back it with a standard 2-year warranty and an industry-leading 5-year extended warranty that is backed by the Gardner Denver name you know and trust. Unlike many of the competitors, Gardner Denver's warranty covers the entire Reman unit, not just the components we replaced.
Our 5-year extended warranty is based on the good processes that we have in place, the knowledgeable people that are capable of tearing down, doing the inspections, the assemblers, they're all qualified people, know what to look for, know how to build our units to specifications that meet and exceed our customers' expectations.
Since we are also an original manufacturer of air compressors, we have the testing equipment and knowledge needed to ensure your air compressor will continue to deliver the performance you demand from a new air compressor. Ask yourself this question: how does the competition test a remanufactured unit? Many of them live by the motto, if it turns, it ships. Not at Gardner Denver. Our Reman air ends go through the same stringent tests as a new air end. Market superior availability is at the foundation of our remanufacturing program. If your operation is down and needs a remanufactured unit to get you back up and going, we want to have that unit on the shelf. In addition to bringing the entire process in-house to better control availability, Gardner Denver is constantly scrutinizing our reman inventory. We want to ensure that the units we keep in inventory match up to the needs of the customer, and the Midwestern location of our warehouse minimizes the amount of time it takes to deliver a unit anywhere in the country.
We made an investment on inventory because we thought it was important that customers, when they make a phone call, we want to make sure that we can fulfill that need quickly. Whenever we have a special call for some exotic unit that perhaps we haven't seen in a long time, we work diligently with customer service to jump through hoops to make sure that customer is taken care of.
When it comes to remanufacturing, Gardner Denver is the total package. We have the right people. We do the process right. We do the testing right. We do the warranty right. We do reman right.